I had pain, and it was excruciating. There's no other way to describe it. It was pain that no one should have to bear. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would have to say 10, and if you had another number, I would add it to it.
I was losing the contact with my family because my kids were really small. And they didn't want to be with me anymore because I was not able to play with them.
They put in blocks, they did epidurals, you name it, and it might get better for a very short period of time, a month or two, but it would never go away.
Yeah, the doctor at one point finally said, we really can't do any more. You know, we've done every procedure that we have available. You've tried different modalities of physical therapy. You've tried all these different medications. We've really hit a dead end. And really the only way to go is either stay on the medications and hope that we can find the right combination, or go with a spinal cord stimulator.
Doctors have used spinal cord stimulation, known as SCS, for over 30 years to help thousands of patients find pain relief. This video is intended to assist in your understanding of SCS, how it works to relieve pain, what to expect from the therapy, and how you can try SCS to see if it's right for you. Please note any questions or concerns you have while watching this video so that you can share them with your doctor later. The information in this video is not meant to replace the advice of your physician.